This video shows how to use Mini ACDP Module 33 to correct Volkswagen MQB48 D7F03523, D7F03524, D7F03525, D7F03526 plus 95,320 chips odometer mileage. Connect ACDP device with odometer with ACDP Module 33 MQB-74 bench interfaced board. Make sure your ACDP device ID is shows on the right-hand corner, means device already connected to your cell phone, tablet or PC. Click VW Audi icon, click VW IMMO. Choose MQB48 NEC 35XX locked, click ICP ODO. Choose one of the menu according to your odometer chip mask. Mine odometer chip mask is 89,700, so I am going to choose this option. Click Help, you will know what bench adapter you should use. Choose Auto Mode, click OK. OK. Pin detect is all good. Click Continue. Click Continue. Here shows odometer original, KM. Click Continue. Click OK. Click the cursor to correct the mileage. Mileage correction successfully. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Job is done.